In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your website for different devices using the Wix editor in Chrome. We'll walk through everything you need to know to ensure your site looks great on mobile, tablet, and desktop. So, grab a cup of coffee and let's get started. To begin with, open up your Wix editor in Google Chrome. Launching it in Chrome ensures you have the most compatible and seamless experience, as Wix and Chrome work well together to provide you with optimal performance and minimal glitches. Once your site is loaded, the first thing you'll want to do is focus on the mobile layout. This is crucial because it's increasingly common for people to browse on their phones. To accomplish this, navigate to the top of the editor where you'll see the option to switch to the mobile editor. Click on it, and your site will automatically transition to the mobile view. Here, take your time to adjust the layout to suit smaller screens. You might find that some resizing or repositioning of elements like images or text boxes, is needed to ensure everything looks clean and accessible for mobile users. Wix makes this process intuitive by allowing you to drag and drop elements into place easily. A good tip here is to preview the menu and check that all buttons are easy to tap with a finger. Ensure that your text remains readable and your images are proportionate. With mobile adjustments complete, it's time to turn our attention to how your site appears on tablets and desktops. It's essential to switch back to other views effortlessly, so look back at the top of your editor and toggle to the tablet view. Tablets have more screen space than mobiles, but less than desktops, so you might need to make a few other adjustments. Keep an eye out for any overlaps or misaligned elements. This view can sometimes highlight areas that don't translate as well from mobile. Next up is the desktop view, the most spacious of all the options. For this, make sure your content makes the most of the available space without overwhelming the visitor. Use features like Wix's responsive design elements such as strips and columns to create a coherent and professional look. These allow you to create interchangeable sections that resize perfectly across different devices. Columns, for instance, realign your content to fit varying widths, ensuring a smooth user experience. Once you've polished each view, it's vital to preview your site on different devices. Wix provides an easy preview feature that enables you to see exactly how your content will appear, whether it's on a phone, tablet, or desktop. Go through each view once more to ensure that everything is in order and aligns with your vision. After ensuring that every element of your site works flawlessly across all devices, don't forget to save your progress. You wouldn't want to lose any of the hard work you've put in. Finally, when you're satisfied with the results, hit the Publish button. Your newly optimized responsive website is now live for the world to see, providing a smooth experience for all your visitors regardless of their device. Happy editing, and see you next time.